Morning, it's March 17th, Monday morning. I'm Jason at daytradeideas.com, looking at the euro versus the US dollar. You can see we've been trading sort of within this slightly upward sloping channel since the end of October, beginning of November. More recently, from the beginning of February, we've had quite a decent run up from this low around the 134.70, 80.70 area. We've tested the upper trend line here. Trend line obviously goes back to 25th of October. We spiked up to there on Thursday and then took quite a big tumble. That's quite a negative candle there, that reversal candle. However, we have had another go up towards there. So we've just got to watch this area. This is around the 139.5 area. I think a good chance we top out around here and we start heading back down towards the lower end of the channel, or certainly towards the middle of it, where we've got this little trend line here at 137.40 area. Getting quite overbought in the stochastic, so that sort of helps the view that we might have topped out for now. We'll hit some profit taking, so just be careful of that. Remember that trend line down here around the 137.5 area. That could be where we head for during this week. Just flick over to the 4-hour chart, scrunch that up a little bit. Shorter term 4-hour chart here shows something slightly more worrying as well, to tie in with our theory that we may just have topped out after hitting the upper trend line. Well, we've got a little bit of a trend line shorter term going back here to the 6th of February, so just over a month long. You can see how we topped out here as we hit that and came lower. We've got Fibonacci support here at around the 138.5 area, and we've bounced off there. What's happening now is potentially a short-term head and shoulders pattern. You can see we've got a right shoulder here, we've got a head in the middle, and what looks like is likely to be a right shoulder here, which would be quite negative, and a break below the neckline here at around the 138.5 area would certainly signal further moves to the downside, trigger more profit taking. We've got a very, very short-term trend line here at 138.30, so again just below there, and we would be looking at more pressure, probably triggering more selling. And 137.80 would be our first short-term target, which who knows, we might even hit that today. So just keep an eye out for euro. It is starting to look more negative, and as I say, a break below the 138.50 area would confirm this. Thanks very much. Jason Sen at daytradeideas.com.